In this video, I'll teach you how to work around the chains to create an oval shape in crochet. So, in order to start, you make a slip knot like this, and you make as many chains as you need according to the crochet pattern that you're following. So I'll make a couple of chains here just to show you. Okay, so I have a few chains here. So usually crochet patterns are written that you have to start in the second chain from the hook. But what does it mean? If we insert the crochet hook in the first chain here that we created, I want to show you what happens. We simply lose the chain that we created. I'll do it again. You see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I insert in this first one here, this first chain, we simply lose the chain. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So that's why I'll make a couple more here. That's why that you have to start from the second chain, okay? You always start in the second chain from the hook. This is the first, this is the second. And how do we work around these chains? You see that we have two loops here. It forms like a V shape in the chains. So you have this loop and you also have this one here. So when we say that you have to work around the chains, it means that you start from the second chain. Oops, this is the second, sorry. You start in the second chain from the hook, you work in this side, and you also work in this side. And you create an oval shape. Okay, so I will crochet this sample with you. So I insert the crochet hook here in the second chain from the hook, and I'll make a single crochet, okay? I'll continue making single crochets in this side of the chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see that I have one chain left here in this side, so we made single crochets in this side, and we have one last chain here. In this last chain, I will make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. You see that I made 3 single crochets in the same chain, and look what happens. We create this curve here in the crochet piece. If we made only one, it would be like a flat piece. 2, it's still here in the same line, but after we make 3, it starts to create this curve, and that's what we want to create an oval shape. And now that we made 3 single crochets in the last chain here, we will use these other loops here, this loop, to continue crocheting in the other side of the chains. So I will insert the crochet hook here, you see that we already started to create an oval shape. And in this last chain here, I will make an increase. 1, 2 single crochets. Just so you know, this one we will not work with this loop here. This is from the first chain that we skipped in the beginning of the video, and in this tutorial I just want to explain what it is when you see written in a pattern that you have to work around the chains. Okay, I will not continue this because this is not a part of any pattern. It's just an example on how to crochet an oval piece like this. But if we were supposed to continue the pattern, just out of curiosity, I would insert the crochet hook here in this first single crochet, and I would put, let me take a stronger color here, I would put a stitch marker here to mark the first stitch of this new round. Okay, and that's it. This is how we create an oval shape for a crochet pattern. And that's it for this tutorial. You see that I just made a second round here because I wanted to show you that if you make the increases in the correct stages here in the pattern, you keep an oval shape, and this is how you crochet around the chains.